I have been trading ES futures for a year, and I'm going to show you guys how to calculate position sizing for any futures market. So what we're going to do is flip over to the charts, and I'm going to show you guys two ways in this video. First way is on a live brokerage account, and the second way is on our Topstep accounts or whatever funding company that you're working with in the goals of getting a payout. So this is my live brokerage account. And what you can do is you press trade, and there's two ways. So if you just press buy, this is a market order, and it's just going to put you in the market with no stop loss and no take profit. Limit order is going to fill you at whatever price you choose when you press the submit, and same with stop and stop limit. So you can also manually add a stop loss like this, and you can type in the numbers and this and that, but that's just going to take a long time. I don't like doing that. So what I do is I use under the projection, there's the long and the short position. You could just plot it. So let's say I want to get a market order here on the breakout with a stop at the last structure targeting 6140. All I'm going to do is I'm going to right click my mouse, create limit order, and boom, it sets me in. All I have to do is switch it to market, because then here, create limit order, switch to market, and you can see the stop loss at 60.83 is already input for me, and the take profit at 61.40 is already input. All I have to do is press buy, and it's going to submit my order into the live market. Now, it's the same for NQ, MNQ. You could take the position. Let's say we want to go short. You're going to put short, create limit order, market. I always choose market. However, your strategy is limit, you can do limit. And then you can see as you change the number of contracts, it'll show you real time the amount of risk you're putting on the trade. And that's been super helpful. So, let's say you're waiting for price to get back down to here. You can have the order all set up so that as soon as price taps you in, you're in. Now, let's do one other way on the Topstep account. So here, I'm just in a practice account so I can show you guys. So Topstep is a little different, and they do make it a little bit more difficult. So you have to know the position sizing. One micro contract is worth $5 a point, or $50 every 10 points. So if I were to buy it here and I drag it from the entry price of 6,100 to 60.90, you can see I'm risking $50, and the same on the upside. Now, you can continue to add in like this. You can press buy, you could press sell, and then eventually it'll take you out once you sell all of them. Now, you can also go to ES, and then you also have to switch it over here, ES, and then you can buy. And now one contract is actually worth 10 points. Or actually, one contract now worth $500 a point, not $50 a point. So these are the two platforms that I use to trade the futures market, both my personal account and the prop firm accounts. So it's super easy, and let me know if you guys have any questions.